In this video, we are going to understand product scheme mapping with the branch hierarchy. Earlier, we have seen that we were able to map one branch to one product. Now, in this video, we can understand that one product scheme can be mapped to multiple branches. I have created multiple product schemes, for example, MH State and Pune. Pune I am not able to search here because I am in Maharashtra State branch. But if I go one level down, then I'll be in position to see Pune as well as the state level branch. So I change my branch and I set it to Pune, and then go to product scheme, search Pune, I can search Pune, I can search MX. So Pune is able to access its parent, but the branch cannot access the child branches. Alright. So if you want to set one specific scheme which should be accessed across the branches, then it's suggested that set that scheme at the topmost branch. If you want the scheme to be worked for a specific stage, then just create a product scheme, and in edit we can set the branch as state level. You can see we are not able to search state as here because we are working in Pune branch. So we have to set the topmost branch first in case we want to configure the scheme for different branches. And I can select state, add here. I can select multiple states or multiple branches here. Now when I log into Maharashtra branch or any city within Maharashtra, I will be in position to access that product scheme, goal test. But if I go to different or one level up, then I'll not be in position to access that scheme. It's not accessible now. And the last point is to have this scheme mapping with the branch hierarchy, we need to set one setting that filter data on branch hierarchy, set it to yes. Alright, so this gives a lot of configuration when you are configuring the schemes as per the branch level. Alright, thank you.